Sir Isaac Newton was a scientist and mathematician. He was most known for discovering gravity and his three laws of motion. He also studied astronomy and invented calculus.
What are his three laws?
Newton's three laws of motion. Newton's first law: objects in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by an outside force. Newton's second law: force equals mass times acceleration. Mass equals force divided by acceleration. Acceleration equals force divided by mass. Newton's third law: for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
How are they used in everyday life?
Newton's three laws are used a lot in everyday life. When you throw a football, when you dribble a basketball, when you push someone, when you jump off a swing, when you walk into someone, and when you jump on a trampoline are just a few examples of how they're used.
What does that have to do with Newton's three laws?
Newton's first law: as you could see, Sam and Grace were objects in motion, and they would have stayed in motion if the wall, an outside force, was not there to stop them. Newton's second law: as you could see in the first clip, Grace pushed Sam with a small amount of force, so she didn't accelerate very far. But in the second clip, Grace applied a large force to Sam, so she accelerated much farther. Note, your mass also contributes to how far you accelerate, but in both clips, Sam's mass was the same. Newton's third law: as you could see, Alex and Grace ran toward each other, the action, which caused them to bounce back with the same amount of force, the reaction.
Sam. Sierra.
Noah.
Kaya.
Grace.